Hello friends, now to solve this expression, we follow the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve brackets, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket O. O stand for of we convert into multiplication, square roots and exponent we also solve under O. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by this step-by-step solution. Now first step, first we solve division. We took only for division signs we find the division 1 divided by 1 is equal to 1. So according to this, BODMAS says division must be performed before the multiplication, addition or subtraction. So now the expression becomes 11 plus 11 multiplied by 11 plus 1 plus 11 and multiplied by 1. So now the step second, multiplication. We solve all the multiplication part. As you can see here, multiplication part 1 multiplied by 11 is 11 and the next one is 11 multiplied by 1 is equal to 11. According to this step, multiplication has a higher priority than the addition. So now the expression becomes 11 plus 11 plus 1 and plus 11. So now the third step says addition. Add all the remaining numbers together. This is the final operation left in the sequence. So now we add all the numbers and after adding all the numbers 11 3s are 33 plus 1 34. We can add this number and the final value is 34. By using the BODMAS, according to this expression, the conclusion says by strictly following the order of operations, we ensure that the mathematical logic is consistent, starting with division, moving to multiplication and finishing with addition. So lead us to the correct result and 34 is the final answer. So I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.